This is my Arduino task. I have finished the code. And if I press start simulation, I can verify that it works as well. Put the volume up to 100. So if I press this button right here, the buzzer works, and so does the servo. Same thing with that one. That's the 92, and that's the other angle. And now to the code. So to start off, my servo, it means that you're giving the servo a name. And that's what the include is. It includes the server. And then the buzzer, the define buzzer 3 over here is it defines the buzzer as 3. So wherever it sees buzzer or wherever it sees 3, it knows that these two are contracted together. And for define button underscore 1 equals 12 is the same thing. The button 1 is set to 12. And define button 2 11 is the same thing as well. Bool button underscore 1 state 0. This is a constant, so it will stay at 0 once it's unpressed, and same here. And the constant, once it's closed, it goes back to 0. And the integers, so this is the point where they move to, where the servo goes to. The first one, button 1, it goes to 133, and the other one goes to 92, as I said before. This is a void setup, so giving the console a new command, a whole set of commands, pin mode, and it says buzzer output, so that it's where it's connected. Pin mode button 1 input up pull up, and pin mode button 2 input pull up. My servo attached to 9, so this is where on the Arduino, as you can see, it is attached to 9 right there. It's attached to 9. And the void loop, it's looping the commands that we set, and digital read, it reads what we originally wrote. And the if, else, and else statements are: if the button status is low, do this. If the button status is low, if button 2 status is low, do that, or else go to 0. And the delay was important because, hold up, let me go back to simulation. As you can see, if I press this button right here, as you can see, there's a delay on the movement. It slows the movement down and breaks it up. If I change that to 1,000, it will, hold up, let me just stop simulation. 0,000 simulation. And now if I go, you can see it takes a long time. And yeah, that's pretty much it.